Assalamu alaikum. Hey friends, when you are doing some writing, related tasks in your Claude AI, and you want you want to remove the signs of AI generated writing from your text, and you want to make it, making it sound like more human and natural. So for this, you can do one thing, like you can open your browser and here you can type Blader Humanizer. Okay. So the first link you can open from here, the GitHub, and you can see here a portable agent skill that removes signs of AI generated writing from text, making it sound more natural and human. So you can open this and here you can click on code and download zip. So once you click on download zip, you can see the humanizer-main.zip has been downloaded. So we can go back to our Claude and here we can click on this plus. Like here you can see you can add files, you can add to projects, a lot of things you can do. Skills, so we can go to skills and manage skills. So in the manage skills, you will go to add and here we will upload a skill. Now drag and drop or click to upload. So from the downloads, you can see this is Humanizer, the one zip file that we downloaded. So you can see uploaded Humanizers. So skill, as you can see, this one Humanizer has been uploaded. So now whatever you will write here, writing tasks, so it will be like, it will sound like more like human and natural. For instance, like how to make any online, write a short 2 paragraphs article about this. So now you can see here the difference. First you can try without the skill and then you can try after uploading this skill. So the writing difference you will see and you will analyze. See, loaded Humanizer skill. Now you can see, now loading Humanizer skill and again loaded. So Humanizer skill first will be upload. So whenever you are writing, you are doing some writing text task. So you can see here now. So see the entire paragraph you will see here. You can't see like, the big underscores, like first you will see like this one, remember, like in between the words when you do something from AI. So you can see this, a lot of uh, huge lengthy underscores you can see. Now they are not showing, and even see it is just like, it's like written by human, you can see. And so this is the benefit of this skill. So I know you have learned a lot in this video regarding this skill, Blader Humanizer, sorry. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you so much once again.